Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start with a practical 6-week schedule and commit to 60 minutes of focused study per day. Consistency beats cramming. In weeks 1 and 2, focus on core grammar structures and learn 500 high-frequency words with flashcards and spaced repetition. Weeks 3 and 4, practice reading and listening with graded passages for 30 minutes each session. And weeks 5 and 6, intensify timed writing and speaking drills to build fluency and exam stamina. Use targeted daily techniques. Practice one full listening or reading section under exam timing 3 times per week to build pace and accuracy. Learn 20 new vocabulary items daily using definitions, example sentences, and pronunciation drills to boost range and collocations. For speaking, record 3 2-minute responses per session and review them for fluency, hesitation, and pronunciation errors. Mimic native rhythms and reduce pauses. Rotate between grammar focus. Timed. In the final 2 weeks, take 2 full mock tests under real exam conditions to simulate pressure and identify weak areas. Score each section and use a sheet to track progress. Set a realistic target such as Band 6. 5. And focus on the sections that prevent you reaching that score. On test day, bring 2 valid ID, a printed confirmation, and arrive 30 minutes early to avoid stress. Rest well the night before and do a short warm-up listening and speaking routine.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.